welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a dramatic look, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm not gonna do like a little hair tutorial. My hair looks freaking crazy, I already know. And this eyebrow, for some reason, like I was having super trouble with it. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna leave it alone until like the end of the video, and then I will like fix it. But until then, I'm gonna just throw this hair in a bun, a sleek bun, and then I'm gonna get into the glam. So let's just get started. So while my son is asleep, I'm just gonna walk through this with you guys and just talk through, because I just feel like talking. You guys already know I talk a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna do like a sleek bun because I don't really feel like doing anything to my hair really. Oh my god, this looks crazy. Okay, so I put clips in a few days ago, as you guys know by the last video. And okay, that hurts. Yeah, we're gonna just do a nice, okay, hold on. Okay, I keep saying that. We're gonna do a nice sleek bun. I need to moisturize my hair. It's freaking dry, and that's why it's hurting extra. What the heck? I really don't care about like how straight the part is, really. So much straight. Ooh, ooh. Okay. And we're gonna do like a little curve right here, because I gotta have some of these baby hairs on this side. You know? Okay. So we have our little foundation, our little layout. So let me just brush it where it's supposed to go. This is gonna be hell, you guys. I'm gonna have to do this. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna get my Eco Styling Gel just to lay it down, and I'm gonna get it moisturized. Even though this is gel, I wouldn't like recommend this if you're actually trying to moisturize your hair, because it dries out your hair. But we're just doing this for this video, so I'm gonna moisturize it like that. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to like obviously go down, and that's what we're trying to do. So I'm gonna just brush it in the way it needs to go. And it's not gonna be, like I said, it's not gonna be too flat, because I have braids under here. Okay, yep. I'm gonna just be back, you guys, because I'm gonna have to work on this for a little bit. I'm gonna be back when I'm done. Y'all, it did not work. Like, come on. So my ponytail was like a little too lumpy for my liking, so I was just like, screw it. And this this headband is a lifesaver because I just threw that on top and you guys can't really see no lumps, so this will just have to do. I forgot to tell you guys, I did my eyebrows already just because you guys, it's the same process, so I mean it won't hurt for you guys for me to skip the eyebrows. And I just want to get right into the eyes because I really want to do something dramatic. So I'm gonna quit talking because I talk a lot, I tend to like ramble, and I'm not trying to do that in this video, so I will just show you guys the process. I was gonna go for a dramatic look. I feel like I messed up in the beginning, but I feel like it turned out pretty good. You guys already know that I like sparkles, so I had to put some sparkles up in there. And I also feel like this headband doesn't really go with this look, just because this is dramatic and this is like, I don't know, like summery and bright. Let me know what you guys think. As always, comment down below, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff, and I will be back with the next freaking video. The next video is gonna most likely be the butterfly locks video, so stay tuned, you guys, and yeah, I'll be back, you guys.